says she wanna ride upon it. I ain't playing no games, baby, grind upon it.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Charlie, and on this channel I share a lot about natural hair videos. So I know by now you've already read the title. In today's video I'm gonna be copying Kambua Muzik hairstyle. So this lady has been inspiring me with her hairstyles for a very long time. Every time I see her on TV and on Instagram, her hair is always on fleek, like her hair is always popping. So this is one of the easiest and simplest hairstyles that I've seen on her Instagram page. All these other hairstyles seems very complicated, but this one is very easy, especially if you know how to braid or if you know how to flat twist your hair. If you don't know how to do any of those, you can ask your friend or you can go to the salon and get your hair braided or flat twisted. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook because that's where I am mostly active. And until next time guys, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm starting off with clean hair, and in today's video I'm gonna be recreating Kambua Muzik hairstyle. So I'll start by taking my Jamaican black castor oil and then apply it on my hair. So this lady has been serving hair goals for a very long time. Like every time you see her, her hair is always popping. So I'm gonna be inserting a picture somewhere on the screen so that you can see what I'm working with. So now I'm just parting my hair for the hairstyle. So I went ahead and parted the other side of my hair off camera, and once I was satisfied with how it was looking, I started parting my hair again in order to start braiding. So she had 4 lines on the left side and 4 lines on the right side. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to part my hair and then start braiding. So next I'll start braiding my hair, and honestly I don't know how to explain how to braid hair, but there's so many videos out here explaining how to braid your hair. But like I said, if you don't know how to braid your hair, you can flat twist. If you don't know how to flat twist, then you can ask your friend or even your neighbor, or you can go to the salon and get your hair braided, okay? So I went straight ahead and braided the right side of my head off camera, and once I was satisfied with how everything was looking like, I went in with some palm rod. So the reason why I'm going in with some palm rod is because I'm looking for thickness. I want my hair to be fuller because her hair is a little bit, it's not even a little bit, her hair is fuller, okay? So here I'm not looking for perfection, I just want some thickness to my hair, okay? So I'm going to be putting this product to test. It was sent to me by Lean Naturals. It's a face mist. It can act as a toner, moisturizer, and a makeup fix. So I've done my makeup, but I've not set my makeup, so I'm gonna be using this to set my makeup. So first of all, first impressions. I love the smell. I love the smell that it has. So I'm gonna be spraying my face with this makeup fix. So once I was done applying the palm rods, I left my hair to air dry for like 2 hours, and now it's time to take out the palm rods. And as you can see, I wasn't looking for perfection. So once I'm done taking out the palm rods, I'm going to fluff out my hair, or rather comb my hair for that volume. So this is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Again, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because that's where I am mostly active.
Says she wanna ride upon it. I ain't playing no games, baby, grind upon it.